There he is. There he is. He's going up. My heart's pounding right now. Come on, don't. Yes! Let's go! Let's go! Let's freaking go! Yes! That's my freaking. Just get him settled a little bit. That's a nice, like 23-inch golden rainbow. I'm gonna hold him up for you guys real quick. There he goes. See, they don't stop moving. All right, let me just get him under control. I'm shaking right now. You'll be fine. He's been in water the whole time. There he is. He's my second of the year, probably my biggest of the year too. 23-inch golden rainbow. What a beautiful friggin' fish. Beautiful fish. Get him back in. An awesome fish. Awesome fish. Get him back released. Look at this thing. Nice fish. Get him back in. He wants to go. So let's get him back in here. Sit with him for a little bit. Look at him, he wants to go already. Look at that. Sitting right here. Another one, guys. Another nice fish. I think he's a brown. Has to be. He stumped that thing. Absolutely thumped it. Be on. He's in that current. That golden is right there, guys. Actually, if you can see him. I don't know if you guys can see him. He's right there in that current. Brown. I don't think he's really that big. Oh, he's snagged. He is snagged. Swiped at it. Brown trout are notorious for this. I don't really have rainbow. This doesn't happen at rainbow too much. But browns do. They swipe it so freaking hard they miss it and they freaking snag themselves. Nice brown. Definitely not a Keystone Select trout. Maybe, possibly. Look at that, guys. A little brown. Get him back in. There he goes. I knew he was snagged. He wasn't that big. He was fighting hard. This guy snagged again. Why do they keep getting snagged? They hit it. This is the second snag fish. This is unbelievable. I never had this happen. They hit it, but they friggin'. This is ridiculous. It's a really decent rainbow too, man. There he goes. Son of a bitch. It's like salmon fishing right now, honestly. Honestly, it's like salmon fishing. It's a nice rainbow too. Man, this is. I don't know why this happened. Oh, I thought I got him. Oh, it is a nice rainbow. There we go. Yeah, now that's a Keystone Select water trout. We're a steelhead. Okay. Oh, skinny guy. Really skinny. That's pretty good though. Get it back in. That's 3. Okay, PA. Keystone Select waters means they stock trout that are 14 inches and up. This thing I have on is like 10 inches. I mean, come on. And I guess some get stocked, but come on. Really? Like, whatever. Really, guys, still trout, still nice fish. Another nice fish. I lost him one before. Okay, he's fair hooked. He's got the on him. That's a nice rainbow too. Really nice fish. There we go. There we go. There we go. Damn. He's not even huge. I mean, he's really nice. Probably 17-inch trout, but he's just fighting hella good. Pretty thick though, son of a bitch. Look at that thing. That'd be awesome. Oh, man, there's Flash. Oh, yeah, he's nice. Come on. Reach him. Oh, yeah, nice fish. Really nice fish. Alright, he's going back. Give a compliment out here. I know he's going. There he goes. Float down. Ooh. Another nice right after. I just released that one. Nice rainbow. Keep them in the water so he won't jump. But they have a mind of their own too. This is a nice trout. Almost looks like a cutty. Kind of with that darkness, dark belly. Yes, damn, another nice one. Let's go. A nice trout here. Get him unhooked. Get him back in. A nice is fresh too. Give him a calmer water. He's gonna float down. It's every single time. There he goes. I knew that cast was gonna get something. I had a sneaky suspicion. A little bit after that nice, another 16-inch I caught. This is another, like, this is an average trout here. Yeah, I'm like fighting them like salmon. You bring them to the shoreline. There's a lot. Oh, he's actually a pretty nice trout. Average. That like small. Actually, that was bigger. Get him unhooked. He's a little thick though. Here you go, guys. I'm gonna get him unhooked. Yeah. Alright. Good thing is, we got another one. Thumped it too. He really thumped. I think he hit it twice actually. I cast in there again. I got him. Oh yeah, nice rainbow. Nice steely. He's big too. Ooh. It's dark a little bit faster. There he goes. He went towards me. There we go. Beached him. It counts. Get up that. Another really nice rainbow. Damn, that's good. Nice one, guys. Look at that. Really nice rainbow. Nice 16-incher, like I said. There he goes.